We really love standing at the kitchen, well, I really love standing at the kitchen sink, and from there I can see the pool, see this room, see the dining room, see the lounge, see the outdoor table, and you know, there can be many conversations going on in every area, but you're still part of everything that's happening within the house, and that was kind of something that one part of our criteria.
I think originally we just wanted that pavilion look, so it lets a lot of light in, a lot of warmth in, and you capture the views from the inside. So it's just floor to ceiling glass, and that's why we've chosen this product.
And you know, on a nice day, there's nothing nicer than pulling those doors right back, and your views are extensive. It's just great. It was funny, we had somebody here the other day and they were actually standing outside, and we were talking away, and he said, "I'm outside, I actually thought I was inside." And I think our weather in New Zealand is so diverse that we want to be outside, but when we're inside here, you know, you really do feel like you are out as well.